Hello, I'm Dr. Huffman from Florida Injury Medical Centers. If you've been involved in a motor vehicle collision in Sarasota, Florida, give me a call. The call and consultation is free, 866-402-4250. I'm an osteopathic physician, board certified in family medicine, but I've spent 30 years in the injury field. I know what whiplash and soft tissue injuries are. I know how to properly diagnose those on the front end of your case so you don't lose your case or lose access to medical care because somebody failed to make that proper diagnosis. As a primary care physician, I speak to your primary care physician. I work closely with your Sarasota attorneys. I have a network of Sarasota chiropractors, physical therapists, orthopedic and neurologists that deliver healthcare to you locally. What I'm offering is an opportunity to avoid overcrowded ERs, urgent care centers, to report your injuries and to access medication. I can report your injuries. I can send medications to your local pharmacy or to your front door without you ever leaving your home. So why go to an ER, urgent care, sit among sick people for hours, have hundreds or thousands of dollars of bills applied to you, and then sent home with what I can deliver to you from the comfort and privacy of your own home, and it's paid for by the insurance company. If you use my services, I send you a simple text link to your cell phone. You open it up, I speak to you about your injuries, discuss your injuries, report your injuries to your primary care physician, to your attorney, to your other healthcare network. I then call in medications if necessary to a local pharmacist. The insurance company pays that bill. If you've been injured, you have to report the injury. Allow me to help you report the injury. If you're at fault, you may think, well, I don't want to report the injuries because my rates will go up. If you're in an auto accident and you're at fault, your rates are going to go up regardless of the healthcare or non-healthcare. My rates go up every year. Over the last 30 years, I've never been in an accident. So report your injuries. That doesn't mean you have to have therapy. You don't have to have tests or diagnosis, diagnostic imaging. You just need to report the injuries. A month later, if you need no care, you close a case. If 2 or 3 weeks later you develop increasing pain, now the case is reported. It's documented. You have access to care. We can provide you with references to local Sarasota chiropractic physicians, physical therapists, neurologists. If you have one that you prefer, you go to that doctor. Everything is set now. The medical reports are established with the insurers and you have access to care. If you have been involved in an auto accident and that you're under care currently and you're getting nowhere, you go to the clinic and you get the same thing every time you show up. There's 50 people in there getting the same thing every time you go in and you're not getting better, you may want to consult me for a free second opinion. The free second opinion, 866-402-4250. I'll discuss the case with you, determine whether you need to encourage your current treatment center to do something differently or find a different treatment center. So again, my consults are free at 866-402-4250. You'll speak to me, not a nurse, not a medical assistant, not a marketing person. I'm available 24/7. Thank you.